So next up, guys, got a really nice truck here. I'll go around it, give you a nice 360-degree view, but it's a 2007 MACK CHN613 day cab. Real sharp looking, good truck. Pretty dang low mile an hour too, like 300,000 miles, 11,700 hours. It's got a Big Mac diesel motor. You'll have all those pictures with the listing. Aluminum rims, chrome stack. 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, 24.5 size rubber, guys, and you'll have all the pictures of the rubber with the listing, but it looks to be in pretty good shape. Sliding fifth wheel. It's got an inner axle lock, and it is kind of cool here. It does have a pintle hitch here, the rear of the unit, guys. Electric hookup there. Wet kit. Sliding fifth wheel, like I said. It's got CB radio as well as the actual radio. I'm here with Garrett. He's gonna fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there, guys. It's got an air driver's seat. Pretty dang nice seat too. Garrett will kind of just quickly give you here forward and reverse. I have drove this truck around the lot. Pretty dang smooth running unit. Here. This is a pretty cold day here in Iowa. I think it was like -10 this morning, and the truck starts up, runs nice. Slipped this a little bit there on the ice, guys. I mean, this would be a really good. I mean, it could be an over the road truck, but it'd be a hell of a grain hauler for any farmer too. So. I'm here with Garrett. I'll have him rev it up just a little bit. Pretty dang healthy sounding motor there, guys. Sharp looking truck, 300,000 miles. Eaton 18-speed manual transmission there, guys. Just sharp, shiny, good looking truck with sliding fifth wheel. Good luck, guys. Auction time, an old 20 auction.